start streaming there. So my computer should pick up that I'm on. And I'm gonna point this down for a second, because otherwise, okay. So I show us live on the YouTube, so I can type something in YouTube, and that will populate me in Currency, right? Testing. So now it shows up right there, and blank, and blank. Disconnect, disconnect, disconnect. Let's see. Okay, so that's enabled. No, console is there, so I'm gonna type in testing, and then it's gonna say testing there, and it's blank. Yeah, I see you. Yep, and you show up right here. And Currency is still blank. But there should be... Okay, so now I see you as being a user, but, like, I'm gonna have to force add that user name to default. But it's not adding anyone, though. Ken. Test, do I have to pee in a cup? Hey, Ken. Okay, and so Ken shows up now. So I can edit Ken as a regular. And then I can edit you as a regular. And so, but the currency is still blank. The scripts. So the scripts, the bot is. Okay, so the only when live is unchecked, which means that it can be live or not live. The usage for the scripts should be stream chat, or does it matter which chat that it's in? Because it's defaulted to stream chat right now. Should it be all? Because it says stream chat, stream whispers. Okay, so it's not that then. It's the currency is the issue. Right, Revlo. Okay, well, but that's not my issue. My issue is that the currency is blank. Yeah, currency is if it's highlighted, does that mean it's on or it's off? On the currency. Because if it's like highlighted and the little buttons to the right, does that mean it's off or on? Okay. Alright, so yeah, it is on. Okay, so coins. The coins piece works because Ken Peavy is testing it. Can you use gamble? Well, but there's nothing in currency, so no one has coins. That's still my issue, is that there's no users inside currency. That is a little bit of a problem. Yep, search, nothing. It's blank. Yep, stays blank and nothing happens on the screen. Zero of zero. So for users, I am an editor. Why did it change? True, true. Is there a way to like refresh it or? So how do I save it then? Because I can set it to true true and then go back, and it doesn't update. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, that one. Okay, so now it says true. What is XTS or EXTS? Oh, external sub. Okay, so, but I can go into romantic and I can set regular, and I can set him as regular, and then that will go back. So, did that update? Mantic coins, highlight, regular, true. Okay. So that's updated, and there's still nothing in currency. I don't understand why it's there's got to be a setting or something that's not allowing the auto population in currency. Is there something about oh, that's 20 hours. Cooldowns or yeah, mine's set up 5. Regular at 20 hours. Online interval is 10. Live payout, event payout. Currency is still blank. Well, what about something basic like in the commands to that I can give currency, because that's something that I would need. I don't know, more immediate, I guess. Sure. So add command, basic command. So the command is going to be exclamation point give, cost 0, stream chat enabled, group general. Oh, me. Oh. Okay, so add, so the permissions is going to be editor, right? Moderator. What? I did. Yep. Inside the YouTube one, it's got the wrench. Okay, so in Hangouts or in which one? Okay, okay, so let's see, add points, target, username, currency, alert. So alert Manta coins to okay, so I changed that usage SC, it is enabled. So now if I go, so I can do that in the console, right? Add. So do I have to use the user ID? Or no, I should just be able to use the username, right? Oh, that worked. So now you have 100 coins. So you should be able to use Gamble now. So if I go into currency, now you're on currency. Okay, but yeah, okay, but I want to test my theory here. I want to edit this, and then I'm going to copy this. I know I shouldn't have to do this, but just for the sake of all that is good with the world. Okay, now I'm going to try to do the gamble. I guess I could do coins first and see if that is registering. And To gamble, use... Oh, gamble 100, I don't know. Now works. And I lost. Oh, I fail. So, in the meantime, it's not auto-loading. So in the meantime, I would have to add each person manually. Okay, so okay, closing all the way out of it. And then restarting. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Guess I should put up a picture of something, right? Okay, so if I go into currency, whoa, okay, currency is now populated. So 100 points, Ken PV has 16, Mike Wolf has 10. So now, all right. So you should have 101 on my screen. Oh wait, hold on. I have to connect it. Oh, loser. Console connected. Streamlabs need to be connected. So that's connected. I have to connect that. Come on, connect. Connected. Scripts. Okay, so now try using gamble. Okay, that's working. What about gamble? Come on. Yeah! There we go. Hot damn. Nine times. Yes, I'm a winner. In what text field? On the bot side or in the file side? Okay. 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 Well, it's that goes back to some software that I was writing back in the day, and I got stuck on this one section, and I could not get it to work. Could not get it to work. And I'd been working on this one section for like 2 or 3 days, could not get it to work, and it was because I had an uppercase instead of a lowercase letter, like a single letter that was uppercase instead of being lowercase, and I was like at my wits end about the whole thing, and then my buddy was like, "Hey, shouldn't that be like a lowercase?" And I'm looking at it, and I'm like, "You've got to be kidding me!" And he knows nothing about computers. He's like, "Hey, what about that one right there?" And I'm like, "Oh, jeez, why? Just why?" Okay. So how often does currency update? Is it no, I'm sorry. The currency screen on the bot. Is that a live thing, or is that a... Okay, but as I'm on the page it won't change, right? Okay. Um This is gonna be ugly. This is gonna be ugly. Wait, do I have it? Oh. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be all kinds of just ugly. I had it lower down on the source list, so it was behind my picture. So now it should spin on top. And then to get rid of it, you just hide it on the sources in OBS, right? Yeah, I'll just hide it. Okay, so console. So would there be anything that you do as in the console as the bot, or you just would use your main account for that, and the bot is its own thing? Okay. Okay. So on going back on the gamble minigame, so some of the options, like, okay, so there's the responses, which you can change. Um, the Revlo Advanced. What is? Do you know what that is? Okay, I think that. Lincoln with his 4,670,000 Manta coins. Okay, so is there a uh, an option that the winning aspect of it that you can change like the payout, or like I guess I'm missing where that's at. Yeah. Single number. Okay. Oh, and then you have winning numbers in there, right? Okay. Okay. So, right, and the okay, so what is 30? 30 times would be whatever they bet, right? Yeah, so you dropped yours down to 10. So if I wanted to hit this so that it was more forgiving, then I would just add more numbers in that field. Okay. 3. It defaults as 3. Okay. And are you talking the mini games that are the default ones in the Streamlabs, right? Okay. So we'll do heist. Start delay 2 minutes per mission. Everyone cooldown 60 minutes. That's the cooldown for the. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yep, I got that. Okay, see it. So it looks like the probability is 50% across the board. Okay. Okay. And then the payout is just defaulted to 25%. Okay, so for this game that is enabled, do I have to disconnect it and reconnect it to get it to be active? Or it should be active? Okay. Um, yeah, no, looks, I mean, it looks decent to start off with. Oh, it's just, should it be bank heist or heist? Um, okay. Well, it's bank heist right now, so. So the start delay is basically from somebody starting it to when it runs the program. That's the start delay, right? So it would be okay. So in the next minute or so, it should probably kick up. So forgot a currency, coin collecting Texas, defaults. Okay, so that's good. Should be kicking in anytime. Console. Console shows everything. There it is. So apparently I died, and you took all the money. Good job. Good job, Shay. Yeah, appreciate that, buddy. You failed. Okay, so if I go to users, Adriana shows up. Cooldown. What's your average cooldown for the mini games? Otherwise, it'll just say there wasn't enough to join, and it will just okay. Well, that would be the difference, the definition of free for all. There can be only one. Player stats, okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. 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 Hold on. There's So if I make any changes to the scripts, do I have to disconnect and then reconnect to or is that active? Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay, so yep, I did that. So I would do add. Okay. Okay, no cooldown. Permission everyone. No cooldown. The group. Is that where you can set up like certain ranks to do it, or is that something else? So under the basic, you got command, cost, usage, enabled, and then group. Oh, okay, okay. I'm not worried about that then. Oh, okay. No, I can worry about that later. Okay, so give should be active then. Sweet. So I can use, I can use, so when you type in your commands, do you use the chatbot or do you use the dashboard on YouTube? Okay. Yeah. So is that under the scripts? So I'm sorry. So the Discord, do I have to have Discord active while I'm streaming or no? My give command didn't work. The give command didn't work for me. Oh, okay. So give. That's fine. I just want to see if it works for me. Because I have like a million, so I think I'm okay with that. Okay, there it is. All right. So to easily get someone's name, then I can do the at to then start typing the name, then just get rid of the at sign, and then fill out the rest. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I suppose I should have I should have my inbox open, huh? Maybe. Maybe for, reasons. I have 4. Do, 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 do. And okay, so there's the flip. So the same thing goes is that I have to put that zip file in that Python directory. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna put it right there. Then I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna go to scripts. I'm gonna see if I can do some of this by my lonesome. Let's see. This flip script has been installed. Reload scripts. So it is not showing up on the scripts yet. So, and then you also sent me something else that I have to do, right? So where am I putting that at? So command add command is going to be flip coin. Okay. Cost, stream chat, everyone, and then under the response, paste all of this, which makes sense. User cooldown. Okay. Does there have to be... Okay, there we go. Alright, so... And that would be the Python directory, right? Okay, God, I mean, I don't even know where that's at. Where is this pointing to? So app data. Oh, I hate that. Why does Windows do that? Instead of just putting it in the program files, it buries it in a in a roaming stupidness. Okay, so I'm in the Streamlabs chatbot folder. Services. There is nothing there. But under scripts, flip is there. Move scripts inside games. I'll move flip. Okay. that's awesome. You're I think I need to take away your luck here for a minute. You're getting a little bit too lucky, man. You just drop it down a little bit. It's save some for everybody else. All right, that's cool. So, in those files for Flipcoin, those text files, what are those text files? Like, what? What? Just a little bit. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 So what is head? Oh, I see it now. Is the results. Okay. Okay. That is. And that would be the two results that you get from a flip coin. Well, could you affect the I guess the root outcome if you took those two lines and just copied them over like 3 or 4 times so that your total number of lines would be like 8, but it's still a 50-50 chance? Because, well, because then that is a little bit more of a random chance so that they're not stuck, just like what you were saying, so they're not stuck, but you only have two results. Right. Oh, okay. Oh, look at you, just making stuff and being cool. Nah, it's if you can figure it out on something like that, where you're taking something and then basically remaking it into something completely different, that's brilliant, man. I mean, that's what it's all about. Yeah. Yeah. Well, but that part makes sense though, because when it is it is defaulted to the user variable, then that's what it's going to do. So you would have to change it to read the username variable, but that makes sense. So on the for the Streamlabs chatbot on the console, you've got the bar at the top for the macros. Now, are those macros as far as commands in the console, or are those what what are the what do those do? Yeah. Okay, so macros one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and then the message. What's would that be the a what? So say I wanted to do a macro of adding 10 points to everybody. Would that how would you do how would you add add and then and then what would be the the default plus plus viewers. Just like that. So you can go under macros and you can actually change the name to basically just like coins plus 10. So that way you can just go up there and click a button versus having to type it all out. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Well, but your live streams are like 6 hours long, so your your total like remembering usage time would be like 30 hours compared to like like an hour. I'm just saying nothing bad. I'm just okay. Okay. So is that in the Streamlabs chatbot section, or is that somewhere else? Um, so is there a spot that I can Castor cast like CASTOR? Can I just search for lazy pack, or because you can search for it, right? Okay, there it is. Okay. So parameters, how to use. Okay. Do this. And then open in folder. And then cut that out. Put that in. Then I have to go down to, since this is a script, I need to do games. Okay, so this one has script shortcuts. Okay, so files folders, so that's where you can put text files, and then sound directory. Okay. And that one you can get from, I can just copy paste that from the users, right? Is it? User ID right there. Copy. What does it tell me? Okay, right there. So that goes there. Alright. So that should be done. Okay. So I could play around with that one, I think. Script shortcuts. So you have to use just the commands in chat to activate that one, right? Okay. So, and that's where you would set like the minimum hours or the specific users in the permission levels. Okay. I want to save this as like I just wanted to point into something basic just so I can just save that so I can change it later. How about this? How about so it says either the response field must be filled out or a sound file must be picked. In order to add a new sound file, simply play the sound files tab. Is that because I put the $sign in the command and that should be in the response? Okay. Oh, okay, and then so let's do this one. Okay, so now I should be able to go into and just so how do you have to set an element in OBS for that to be visible? Because that has to tie to something, right? Okay, tell me again what I'm oh, so that is the browser source code that you put in. Okay. Browser create new one, browser, whatever. And then the URL is a local file that would be... Oh, what am I doing? Local file... the Streamlabs... I'm lost what I'm doing here. Hold on. Goes here, goes Streamlabs, and goes to services, scripts, Casper's Lazy Pack, index.html. Okay, so if I did that right, then I should be able to do this one. And it didn't do anything. Where I don't know. Okay, bot send delay second 2. So in my response, I've got the $ GIF, and then the picture is just a straight picture. Does it have to be? Oh, okay. Well, that's why I'm stupid. Okay. So oh. Okay. So is there something in the Caster's Lazy Pack that is an image instead of a GIF in the same format? Like you could do the $ GIF, $image, $sound. Yes. Scripts. Yeah, right-click, insert API key. Yes. I was pretty sure that I already did that. And I set the YouTube ID. Oh, I've got too many screens open here. How would I save image? So I'll just do this. Okay, so I'm gonna try that, and then update this to be an actual. So change this to. Oops, too many letters. Okay, so that. Okay, so now if I did. So I set it to the permission to editor, which would be me. Cost 0, use with stream chat, enable true. And then that's it. So scripts, yes. So streaming service, YouTube, right? And then yes. Yeah, the description, it still says a right-click insert API, right? Okay, so yeah, but I've already done that. Yep. Yep. It's still not kicking up. Okay. So browser, I have it set to a local file. Okay, hold on. Do you have the URL of? Okay. Okay. Let me try that then. Refresh. Okay. So let's do that, and then see if. Nothing. Commands, there's that. GIF. The full path. Yeah. Full path. Is it case sensitive for any reason? In what sense? Okay, no, it's... Yeah, it's exactly how everything is out. Yeah. No errors. Down here. I just took away with the picture because I wanted to see if it was just hiding it. I got nothing there. Logs, I got nothing there. Yeah, it's top layer. Yeah, that's why I hid basically everything else. Wait, hold on. I'm retarded. I am full-blown retarded. I don't know why I did that again. So that needs to go to my Streamlabs. Streamlabs, chatbot, services, scripts. There it is. Okay. Just figured it out because I'm dumb. Okay, so I need to see this. This. That's an index.html, right? Okay. Now let me try this. Where's the command? Where's the command? Ha 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 ha! Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, because instead of Streamlabs being in a standard program files, it is buried in the app data roaming. So I had to point it to that. Because, because file names and paths are not needed at all. Because reasons. Oh, but that's where Streamlabs was installed. It wasn't installed in like a program files. Because and I had to figure some of that out with doing the Minecraft mods, because it, like, I was, for a while, it was rough, but I could actually run the server and play on Minecraft at the same time on the same computer, because the Minecraft server ran off of a C Minecraft directory. And to put mods on a server, you have to put it on the server side and the client side. So I had to download the whatever mod and then save it in both the C Minecraft mods folder for the server to run it, and then the appdata.minecraft on my profile for the client side. Now it all makes sense. If you have a D drive. That makes sense. Well, fantastic, man. I appreciate it a lot. Alright, go get some sleep, man. Are you streaming tomorrow? Okay. Okay, cool. Alright, well, go get some rest. No, man. All right. So that took that over. So that's working. Okay, so I don't need to keep that up. So it's just those two. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful.